PV carport mounting solutions produced by HQ Mount are popular with many customers that combine the functionality of a carport sunshade with the added benefit of solar energy generation. This versatile system is well suited for both commercial and residential applications, catering to a wide range of needs. With this product, the customer has the option to choose between two models as per their requirements. The HQ-ASC 01 features an aluminium carport solution, providing a durable and lightweight structure. On the other hand, the HQ-ASC 02 offers a waterproof design with a combination of aluminium or carbon steel, ensuring greater strength and protection against harsh weather. The use of anodized aluminium provides increased resistance to corrosion, delivering improved longevity and protection from environmental factors such as moisture, ultraviolet radiation, and high temperatures. It not only excels in functionality but also boasts an aesthetically pleasing design. Its sleek and modern appearance seamlessly integrates with the installation space, enhancing the overall visual appeal of your property. It is designed to be light in weight for easy handling and installation. Moreover, the highly pre-assembled structure significantly reduces installation time, saving both labour and costs. Also, its capacity can be customised according to your requirements, allowing you to accommodate a varying number of vehicles or specific space constraints. Invest in our mounting solution and experience the perfect blend of functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability. Transform your carport to generate solar power while providing shade and protection for your vehicles.